Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. Hi, good day, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. I'm Hameedah Su. I make a nice short video to show you today regarding boost male vitality naturally. So you can see how to help you regain your youthful vigor. It's interesting, right? So I love that you stay with me until the end of my very short movie. I will come back to say goodbye to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for your support. Your support means everything to me. Thank you. Okay, that we don't lose the time, let's go now.
Boost your male vitality naturally with our revolutionary supplement. Hi everyone and good day my lovely viewers. Welcome back to the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su channel. Today we're talking about how to boost your male vitality naturally with our revolutionary supplement. Our supplement is a powerful blend of 11 natural ingredients that work together to enhance testosterone levels and promote overall male health. One of the key benefits of our supplement is that it can help you regain your youthful vigor. With regular use, you can experience increased energy levels, enhanced stamina, improved focus and mental clarity, optimal testosterone levels, boosted libido, reduced oxidative stress, better muscle function, healthy blood flow, support for the immune system, reduced inflammation, balanced blood sugar, improved bone health, positive mood and reduced stress, weight management support, and overall vitality and well-being. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to boost your male vitality, we encourage you to try our supplement. It's easy to use and comes in a convenient powdered form that can be mixed with water or your favorite beverage. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed learning about my revolution. Boost your male vitality naturally with our revolutionary supplement. For more information, please click the link in my description or from my pinned comment below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any of our next posts. Your support means the world and means everything to me. I am grateful for your assistance with the Wellness Warrior via Hameedah Su expedition. Until the next time, be careful, remain healthy, and savor a vibrantly balanced life. Take care and be well.
Thank you that you stay until the end. Until next time, be careful, remain healthy, take care, be well. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.